Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Wilkinson and Becky Hill, their song called Here For You. So this one is not your typical guitar song, but it's cool to do something else sometimes. And for this one, we will look at one strumming pattern, and it's one chord progression that goes round and round through the entire song. I'm aware of that this chord progression, and with the strumming here, it changes a little bit here with the strumming. Sometimes it's only kind of just one down for each chord, and it differs a little bit. But I'm gonna give you what you can go through the entire song and yeah, play a little bit with it. So let's start right away. No need for any capo. And we have 4 different chords to go over. So let's start with the G first. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The next chord is A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have this D, but with an F sharp in the bass. Right, so you have 2nd on E, open A, or muted, you can choose there. Sometimes I mute it with my index finger, which I'm using here for the 2nd fret E, just leaned on top of the A string, so I get that sound. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. But for this song here, I would avoid to play this open E. So stay with the strumming here on the bass and middle strings. So those are the chords, and the chord progression will be G to B minor to A to this D F sharp chord, then back to A, and finally B minor. So that is the chord progression through the entire song. Now left we have only this strumming pattern I'm gonna show you. It's a pretty common one. So let's grab this G chord, that is the first chord, and the strumming will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, up, down, up. One round, so a couple of rounds, a little bit slower, sounds like this. So we're gonna play 2 rounds of strumming for G, 1 for B minor, 1 for A. Then 2 for the D F sharp chord, then 1 for A and 1 for B minor. And that is how you play this song. So 2 Gs, 1 B minor, and 1 A. Then 2 GFs, 1 A, and 1 B minor. And that's it. So Wilkinson and Becky Hill, Here For You. A couple rounds of this will sound like this. And so on. So good luck guys with this, And yeah, hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps me a lot and I appreciate all your support here. So don't forget, play tuned.